My name's Colby Bradford. I'm a graduate from machine tool technology down in Wiregrass. I graduated from there and I went and started a wheel company, and here we are with BCR Wheels. Within BCR Wheels, if you ordered a set of wheels, you would start out on Instagram, Facebook, phone call, email, however. But once you placed an order, there's over 1,600 designs on our Instagram that you can choose from. Now, if you wanted to modify that, that's when I get involved in with the customer itself. We'll put your name, your logo, whatever you want. I've always been in machining. I just kind of made it fun to me. If you wanted to work for me, I'm looking for CNC machinist. I'm looking for the computer guru. If you love designing things and you love seeing things come to life, machining, why not? You literally can take a piece of nothing and make it art. It's an amazing industry to be in.